Alright, welcome back everyone. So I don't know if this is going to get washed out. The sun's starting to come out. It's trying to beat the sun. But the car is dirty. I don't know if maybe if I pan up this way. If I kind of get in close. It rained last week, so it's been dewy as well, and it's gotten a lot of dirt on here. So it's going to actually be the first bucket wash. Get this blow out of the way. The first true bucket wash after the P&S coatings. I've rinsed and washed it twice with N914, and so I want to show you what the hydrophobic behavior looks like of this coating. Again, this sun's really washing things out, so I hope this shows up on camera. That looks really good. Again, it's going to get washed out right here. So again, initial rinse looks good. Everything looks like it's in the right spot, applied correctly. Yeah, I don't see any dead spots. So, which is a good thing. Again, that's the initial rinse. I'll go ahead and go on through the wash process, and I'll come back and show you the final rinse to give you an idea what it looks like. I think next wash I'll give you an update on the coatings up there. There's really nothing's just changed, but I'll give you that next time. But I just want to get through this wash because the sun's coming out. This is the final rinse, and you can see it's releasing all the shampoo. And the 5x Forte looks like it's having issues already on the side glass. Look at that. More of a sheeter right now. You see that? Let me go on the other side because it's going to get washed out here. You can see the coating just beating really well. Things just fall off like that. Alright, that's the initial or final rinse of the P&S coatings. You can see that no water really sticks to sole on the top. And a real nice water beading here. So I'm just going to go ahead and sheet rinse this off and dry it off because it's getting hot. Alright, so one thing I didn't show during the wash process is the drying aid portion. And you can see the car looks really nice from here. You can see the gloss on the hood from here. So again, we're going to talk product synergy here, family synergy. This car has P&S Legend, top with sole. So one product that's going to work, guaranteed to work, recommended to work from P&S is Beadmaker. And I know a lot of you don't want to use Beadmaker because of dust. Okay, I get it and all that, but I'm talking from a product and family synergy in terms of P&S. This is going to work. I think they've done testing. It says this extends your coating by another year or two, something like that. I forget what it was. I don't have a lot of product anyways. So maybe 3 washes before I use this up. But I just want to point that out there that this is going to work on your P&S coating. It's what P&S is going to recommend. If you want to use another topper of your choice, by all means do so. Again, I'm just putting out there that this is going to be more product synergy focused rather than telling you to use it and again use your own topper. But I just want to show you that the gloss levels were indeed amplified. This car's going to sit outside. It's going to get dusty. I don't care if Beadmaker attracts dust or not. Again, fighting dust if your car sits outside is a losing battle. So it'll look good for a week. The dust will settle on it. Who cares? I'm going to wash it next week anyways. That's the downside of leaving your car outside 24/7. But the car looks good. You can see the gloss on the hood is amplified. Actually, the gloss from the P&S and the polishing looks good. Beadmaker kind of just brought out a little bit more gloss, and of course leaves the paint slick. We kind of go on the lower panels, it's looking good. The only part I didn't put Beadmaker was up here because we're testing out the coating. So the next wash, or maybe the second wash, whatever it is, I'm going to be doing an update on the coatings here. I didn't put it also on the glass because I got the glass coatings going on here. But you can see silver needs the right light to really give you that gloss. But I could tell in the sun that this thing was looking really good. So you can see the gloss here as the sun is setting at the moment. Here's the rear. Let me get my shadow out of the way so you can actually see how wet that looks. It actually looked even good without the Beadmaker on top. Okay. So again, the gloss has been amplified a little bit. And Beadmaker has an 8-hour cure time. I think it's been like 3 or 4 hours since I put it on. Now, on this rear window, just imagine an imaginary line down the middle. We have the Obsessed Garage drying aid on this side and Beadmaker on this side. This is mostly for the Obsessed Garage folks because they want to see if the drying aid is going to dust. So we'll see how it looks after a couple days. It's pretty windy, so there's already dust in the car. So you can see from this angle the car's looking good. The wheels, I use the Adams graphene detail spray since they're coated with the Adams graphene coating. And again, so this car is just looking really good right now. I've noticed no dead spots. That P&S coating was super hydrophobic. I mean, it repelled a lot of water on there. So again, I'll just use up my Beadmaker on this and then transition over probably to Carpro Echo. Maybe I'll use the Obsessed Garage drying aid, but I'll probably transition over to Carpro Echo to maintain this going forward. And if I get the urge to play with another topper, then, you know, like I said, I may switch between Obsessed Garage drying aid, Echo, maybe Carpro Elixir. I don't know, but for right now this car looks great, and I just want to show you what it looks like once you top your P&S coating with Beadmaker. And comments, questions, go ahead and post them down below. Again, product synergy is guaranteed to work. Once you start kind of introducing a different product, you may have issues, so you kind of have to just keep that in mind, that some products don't play well together. And this walk around, this discussion here is mostly product synergy with what works with the P&S coatings. And once the Dreammaker comes out, which I'm probably going to order from P&S, I'll show you that as well, because that's just supposed to be pure gloss enhancement. So I'll probably just wait another couple washes and use this, and then once Dreammaker comes out, I'll give that a shot and I'll show you the way that works. So again, comments, questions, go ahead and post them down below. Again, thanks for watching.